Welcome back to Explore Error. In this video, I'll show you how you can send snaps from your camera roll without the media upload label showing on Snapchat. If you want your snaps to look like regular snaps, just follow these simple steps. First, go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and make sure your Snapchat app is updated. This method works on the latest version of the app. After that, open the Snapchat app. Usually, when you upload a photo or video from your camera roll, Snapchat shows a media upload label. To avoid that, tap the drop-down arrow at the top right corner of the screen. From the options on the side, select Director Mode. It looks like a small camera icon with a star on it. Once you open Director Mode, go to the bottom right corner and tap the picture icon with the plus sign. This option lets you import photos or videos from your camera roll. Now, choose the photo or video you want to send. After selecting it, tap Add. You will see it appear at the bottom left of the screen. Tap Preview and then tap Send To. From here, you can send it to your story or send it directly to your friends. The best part is that it will not show the media upload label and it will look just like a normal snap. And that's it. You have successfully sent snaps from your camera roll without the media upload tag. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Snapchat tips and tutorials.